Yeah. Now we will go for next topic. What is the next topic? Okay. Instance control flow will go. Okay. Now instance control flow. Okay. Instance control flow. So before discussing instance control flow, okay, let me write one program for instance control flow. Okay. Here I'm writing on Java class. Class class, let me take test. Class test. Okay. The class test. Now instance control flow, right? Let me write int x is equal to 10. Int x is equal to 10. Okay. So now here I'm writing instance block. I think you know, right? You people should be aware of it, right? Instance control flow. We discussed already. Come on, guys. Show method. So in instance block, what I'm calling, okay, instance block means what? Open curly braces, closed curly brace. That is the what instance block, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay, guys, you people are keep quiet. We discussed, right? System dot out dot println. I think that time we spent around 2 hours on the instance static blocks and instance blocks. Please go and revise. System dot out dot println. This is what first instance block. Okay, first instance block. Fine. So after that, here, after that, what I'm taking, I'm writing constructor. Okay, I'm taking what, guys? Constructor. Okay, here system dot out dot println. Let me write constructor. Okay, now okay, constructor, fine. So now here what, later I'm taking what, guys? Public static void main method. They're very, very important, guys. Okay, please watch it carefully. String args. If you know the flow, static and instance flows, the programming will be easy. Public static void main string args. Okay, so now here, let me copy this one. Main method. Okay, so after main method, here I'm taking one more instance block. Okay, so here system dot out dot println. Let me take. Why we need to type again. Okay, here what I'm trying to print y. Okay, so here I'm taking. Okay, so now what here I'm not writing show method. Let me write show method. Public void show method. Okay, in the show method, what I'm trying to print, I'm trying to print this one in show method. Then. Okay, so now here what system dot out dot println second instance block. Clear? Second instance block. So next one here what int y is equal to 20. Fine. Clear, everyone? Understand the program what I have written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See class test int x is equal to 10. And this is, I'm taking one instance block. From instance block, I'm calling one show method. This is constructor and main method, and the show method implementation I have. And after that, I have taken one more instance block, and finally I declare int y is equal to 20. Okay. So now
Yes, sir.
this is the what? Okay, example. Let me copy this one. Fine. So now let me explain you guys how the instance control flow will happen. So now, so here now, so in the instance control flow, okay. So what are the points we have to know, right? The first point. Okay. Here, identifying. Okay, guys, identifying. Identifying instance members. Okay, identifying of instance member from top to bottom. Clear, everyone? The first point, identifying instance members from top to bottom. Okay. Next, the second point, execution of instance variables, instant variables assignment. Okay. Execution of instance variable assignments and instance blocks from top to bottom. Okay. And after that, what? Third one.
Executing main method.
Executing main method. Executing constructor. Understand? Executing constructor. Okay. See. Now, in the static control flow, in any Java class, which control flow will start first, guys? Static control flow will start first. Why? When the static control flow will start? At the time of class loading. Right. Now, instance control flow. When the instance control flow will start? At the time of object creation.
Yes, object creation.
Okay. When the instance control flow will start, guys? At the time of object creation. Static control flow when it will start? At the time of class loading. Okay. So in any Java class, which control flow will start first? Static control flow will start first. Okay. Instance control flow when it will start? At the time of object creation. Please remember these points. Okay. So now, see, these are the points we have to remember, guys. Instance control flow. Identifying instance member from top to bottom. Execution of instance variable assignments and instance blocks from top to bottom. Okay. ETOM. Top to bottom. The third one is what? Executing constructor. Clear? Now, so all these 3 points you clear, guys? Have any questions on these 3 points? No, right? Now tell me what is the output here? What is the output here? You tell me now. Tell me, guys, what is the output here? You guys should tell now. Because you know static control flow and instance control flow also the points we know.
First instance 0. First instance block.
Okay. But here the output is something. Yeah, that's what. Here, what is the output? You know, output here. So if you execute this program, output will be main method.
Main method first line.
Yes.
Understand? Only main method, guys. What is the output, guys? Only main method.
Main method.
Okay. Let me execute them. I will show you. File, save as. We'll discuss, guys. Don't worry. So now, instance control flow. Let me create a folder. Instance Instance control flow. Fine. So now in the instance control flow, let me save it. File name. Instance control flow. File name itself, instance control flow. Fine. So now I'm trying to execute. I'm trying to compile Java instance control flow, right? .java. Okay. This is what instance control flow, right?
Yes.
Instance control flow. Okay. Instance control flow. CD instance control flow. Fine. So now Java
Instance
Instance
control.
control flow.
instance control flow. Not Java, right?
Yes.
Comparison successful. No, Java. What is the class name? Test, I think, right? Java test. See,
Main
what is the
method
output here? Main method. Understand? Why main method? Let me explain you. Okay? No. What is the output, guys, here? Main method. So, no. See, what will happen, you know? So, here, any Java class, right? So, now what we are doing finally, we are asking JVM, hey JVM, please execute my class test, right? So, when you ask JVM to execute test, what JVM will do first? Instance control flow, right? JVM will identify, do we have any static members of this class from top to bottom? It will identify. So, how many static members we have in this? Only one static member we have. What is that one? Main method.
Main method.
Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Okay. How many static members we have, guys, in this class? Only
One.
one static member.
Main
That is
method.
what? Main method.
Main.
Fine. Okay. After that, what is the second point? Executing static variable assignment, static blocks from top to bottom. Do we have any static variables and static blocks in this class? We don't have. Okay. The second point also completed. Now, what is the third point? Executing main method. What is the main method here? Public static void main method. Come on, guys, please respond. Right?
Yes.
Yes,
Main
sir.
method. So in the main method, now this method is calling by JVM. So now in this main method, what is the first line? System.out.println main method. That main method will print in console and it will exit. We are not asking to do anything, right? Clear, everyone? Why we are
Yes,
getting
sir.
main method as output here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No. Now here, okay. So no. So instead of main method, okay, after that main method, fine. Or else, let me print main method. Here, now I'm trying to create what? Object of test class. I'm trying to create object of what, guys? Test class. When the instance control flow will begin? At the time of object creation. Understand? When the instance control flow will begin? At the time of object creation. Static control flow, when it will happen? At the time of class loading. Okay, but instance control flow, when it will happen? At the time of object creation. Okay, clear, everyone?
Yeah, clear.
Okay, so now what will happen, you know? Test t is equal to new test. Let me copy here. Okay, I will explain here, right? Let me add that one under here. Let me add here. Okay, there is no space, right? Here I'm adding test right. Test t is equal to new test, right? Where I'm creating object, the main method. Okay. No. What will happen when you try to create object of this class? I think already you people should ever write. While creating new, by seeing new, one object is created, right?
Yes.
All the instance
Instance.
members, instance variables, one copy of instance variable will copied into that object, and JVM will assign by default values. That's what we know, right? As of now.
Yes.
Right. How it will happen, you know. Okay, we will see now. See, identifying instance members from top to bottom. Understand? Identifying instance member from top to bottom, guys. First of all, when you try to create object of this test class, so what will happen? Instance control flow will begin. In instance control flow, what is the first line, guys? Identifying instance members from top to bottom.
Top to bottom.
Okay. So now, what is the identifying instance members here? Tell me. What are those, guys?
X
This
equal
is
to
the one of the instance member. First identifying int x. This is one instance member, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. Number one. Next one. Instance block. Okay. This is instance block, right? Number
Yes, sir.
2.
2.
Next one. Constructor. This is also identifying instance member, right? Constructor also what? Part of
Yes.
instance only.
Yes, sir.
Number 3. Next one.
Main method.
Static member. Okay, here public void show
public
method.
void
This
show.
is also what?
Four.
Instance.
Instance method.
Instance method, right? This is also part
Four.
of what? Instance member. 4. Okay. And next one what? Again, instance
Into
block. Instance block also comes under what? Instance
Y.
member only. Next
Yes,
one,
sir.
int y.
Into
Instance
y equal
variable.
to 20.
This is what? Number 6. Right. So first of all, identifying instance member is completed. While identifying instance member here, tell me what are the instance variables we have? X.
X.
First one is what? X. X. So X is equal to what? At the time
0.
of identifying instance member, JVM will assign
0.
0. Right? JVM will assign what? 0.
0.
While creating
0.
object, all the instance variable, first copy of instance variable will copy into object, right? X is equal to 0. What it is here? Read and
Read
indirectly
indirect write
write
only.
only state. Read indirect write only state, guys. Okay. Later what? Y. Okay. Y is equal to also what? 0.
0.
Read indirect write only state. Clear, everyone? So the first part is completed. Okay. The first part is completed, guys. After that, what is the second point here? Execution of instance variable assignments and instance block from top to bottom. Okay. So here I am writing output, guys. Let me write. Where do you want me to write output? Let me write here output. This is the output, guys. Fine. In the output, what is the first statement here? Main method, right?
Yes.
What is the first statement here? Main method,
Main
right?
method.
Main method.
Yes, sir.
After main method, we are creating object of test class. When you create object of test class, then only instance control flow will begin. Next one, main method. Fine. So now what is the second statement here? Execution of instance variable assignment, instance blocks from top to bottom. Now in test class, what is the first statement? Instance
X equal
variable
to-
assignment. Int x is equal to 10, right? So now this is the what, guys?
X equal to 10.
7th, number 7. Okay, here in the first part here, what is the numbers, guys? 1 to 6,
1 to
right?
6.
1 to 6. Fine. Now, so int x is equal to 10. Now 10 value assigned to whom? Instance variable x. Okay, that is the 7th. After that, what? Instance block execution. Okay, this is what? 8. Okay. Now here we are calling what? Show method. We are calling what, guys? Show method. So now where is show method is available? Here. Okay. This is what? Point number 9. Show method is now executing, right? We are
Yes,
calling
sir.
show method, right? This is 9. So in the show method, what we are printing? System.out.println y. What is the y value now?
0.
0. Y value 0 only, right? By that type.
Yes.
0. Now this instance method is completed. Now control comes back where? Here. Okay.
Enter.
First
Enter.
instance.
Enter.
So after that, what is the next statement we have? This one,
System
right?
dot out.
System.out.println first instance block. So here, what is the output now? First instance block. Clear, guys? First instance block. Next one, the instance block is completed. Next one is what, guys?
Constructor.
Constructor.
One more instance
next instance block here. Okay, system.out.println second instance block. What is the output here? Second instance block.
second instance block. Mm.
Okay. After that, what? Do we have any instance variable assignments? Yes, we have instance
Y
variable
equals
assignment.
20.
So now y equal to 20. Okay. So now this is what, guys? Number 10. This is what?
11.
Point number 11. Now y is equal to 20 here. Now here what? Y will become
20.
20. And now read and write state. Read and write. Clear? So now, okay. So now, okay, finish. Now what is the next statement, guys? Executing constructor. Okay. Now we are trying to call what? Constructor here.
Constructor.
Tester. So in the test constructor, what we are calling system.out.println, just constructor. Okay. So now before constructor, if you call show method, let me call show method here. Under constructor, what I'm calling, guys? Show method again. I'm calling a show method. Now tell me. Okay. So here what, guys? Line number
20.
11, right? 7 to 11. I'm writing points. Give me 1 minute. 7 to 11, right?
11.
7 to 11 here, point numbers. Fine. Now executing constructor. This is the constructor, 12th. Right. Again in constructor, what we are calling? Show method we are calling. Right. Again, control come to show method. Now system.out.println, this is what, line number 13 and point number 13. System.out.println y. Now what is the y value?
20.
20, right? Here output is 20.
20.
Output is 20. Okay. So now once this show method is completed, again control will come back to whom? Okay. Next statement of constructor. What is the next statement here? System.out.println of constructor. Right. So here what, guys? Constructor. The output. Clear? So this will the, okay, this is the output, guys. If you, okay, if you execute this application. Everyone clear?
Yeah, clear.
Right. Here what, 12 to 13.
Yes.
To 13. Okay, now let me execute this one. So here what? Here let me call show method. Okay, so now Java test, no, Java C instance control flow.java. Now Java test. See, main method 0, first instance block, second instance block, 20 constructor. That is the output also we are also seeing, right? The same output right here, matching.
Yes.
Main method 0, first instance block, second instance block, 20 constructor. Hope you people clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.